Hello today. So today we are gonna see why our images are not displaying when using in React.js. So in my VS Code, let's see. I have an image eagle.jpg and I wish to show it in the browser. So what I will do is I will image src and as the directory says eagle.jpg simple. It should be displayed, but instead I am getting this logo because this image is not showing. You see, the path is correct. Our eagle dot jpg is in the same directory as this app.js, but it is not displaying. So how to display it? So one way, if you wish to pass a string here, one way to display is add that eagle jpg in public folder. I, s- I just copy it and I add it to the public folder. Now what I'm gonna do is from the public folder it becomes directly accessible. Like I don't have to use this, and by saving it I can see eagle.jpg showing in my browser. And if you know, there's another way of showing the images. If you do not wish to put them in public folder and you want to access these from public folder, let's say import eagle from eagle.pg and image source would be eagle. Let's see. Yeah, this is displaying. So yeah, that's a simple snippet to let you know how to display images in React.js. Thank you.